Okay, so this is the system I hooked up. Basically, water coming in, that's the garden hose. Come in, it's passing through here, so it's going inside of this heat exchanger and then go into the boiler. Pass inside the boiler, gets heated up, comes to this hose, and hot water is passing through this heat exchanger and then go up for that hose and then through this flow meter where I can measure how much water is passing through and what's the temperature, and just go out to the drain. So I just let it like that, just tiny bit open here, just to bring it to pretty much the same temperature. So cold side and the hot side are the same temperature in here. I just kept a small flow of 1.2-1.3 liters per minute. Now I can fully open this, and that just going to increase to 3.5 liters per minute. Got a small leak somewhere in here, so I just put that tray in there. But that's it pretty much. So this unit doesn't have any batteries or anything. I just hooked up this this panel to it. Is a LED panel straight to the output of the Peltier converters, Peltier units. All of them are in series, so I just put it in here to give like a better visualization of the power. Now this is a 12 volts module, but will take a bit of abuse, no problem, or work with voltages below 12 anyway. Just gonna dim the light a bit, but you know, you will see what kind of light I'm gonna give. Now I don't have to keep it at 3.5 liters per minute, I can put it even lower than that, but let's stop it at the moment and let's fire the boiler. So the boiler on. I just converted this boiler to LPG. Right, so I set the temperature of the hot water to about 50 degrees. Right, that's it. Alright, so let's hold on, let me do a wide zoom. I can see a bit better what's happening. So boiler is set at about 50 degrees, that's 53, whatever is inside of it. Let me put this keys here and all of this so I can sit down right on this. Okay, right, so now at the moment the boiler doesn't work because there is no demand on hot water, heating is off. It's just a very simple basic setup here just to help me test this out. Now you'll see there an LED transformer that is to power up the flow meter in there. Absolutely no connections in between these two. This is just freestanding, it's just nothing, only the hose is connected. That's it. Right, so I'm just going to open this valve in here. That's going to allow water to pass through, and that's going to fire the boiler. So fire the boiler, going to produce some hot water. The hot water going to pass through here, and when hot water going to pass through here and I'm going to have cold on one side, hot on another one, they're going to start producing electricity, and that electricity you're going to see it on the panel. So open, and the boiler fires. I got 3.5 liters per minute in there, and let's just wait for this to, right, look how bright is it. It's super bright, super bright. Don't know if you can see that, but it's super bright. Right, so I'm curious now, and this one is making a lot of electricity. I'm curious if I lower the flow per minute. I want to lower it to about 1 liter per minute. It's about 0.9. Right, and this one still lit. And even if I'm gonna stop the water now, I'm still gonna stay lit for a while. I'm gonna start dimming just because there's gonna be some cold water in there and some hot water on the other side until the temperature get to an equilibrium. They're gonna still produce electricity. So even if I stop completely, yeah, there is no flow, zero. Yeah, and that still give a lot of power. Right, let me just stop the light in here. All right. Now, on the camera I can't really see it very well, but I see it dimming. So slowly it's fading away until eventually just gonna extinguish, just gonna go off because there's not enough temperature difference. And if I start opening the water now, cold water gonna get in and they're gonna start giving up some power. See, straight away that fast it is. And I want to put it to about 1 liter per minute, so just to right. So now it's about 1 liter per minute. This one will give a lot of light, it's very bright. Temperature on the outlet is about 41.2 degrees, 41.3. Now at the boiler, I don't know how hot is it. Probably should hook up some thermometers just to measure the temperature difference. But it's fairly effective actually. It's converting this temperature gradient very well. This heat exchanger, I wish it was a bit bigger with the same loop thing. Now I got a bigger heat exchanger generator, but that is a different configuration, it's all parallel. I'm not sure, but I think this is the brightest what I can get. Or let's see if I'm gonna open a bit more. Power decrease now is increasing. Now is increasing a lot. Right, so 1 liter per minute is alright, but it's not enough. It's just one bigger difference. Right, electricity from hot and cold water. Just need to hook it up probably to battery or something. Then just gonna start accumulating battery while you use the shower. Accumulating electricity while using the shower. Nice.